Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are at Blue Tree in Phuket. We are here today for the Wansao Festival. If you don't know what Wansao means, it's actually Saturday in Thai. It's not started yet. I think it starts around 3 PM, so we're going for a little bit of a skate first and then just going to wait until it starts really, and then get some food and show you around.
Yeah.
So stay tuned.
Yeah.
So if you guys aren't familiar with Blue Tree, they actually have a lot of different events that go on here. They have movie nights, they have Havana nights, which I think there's a bit of salsa dancing in that.
Beach parties, even like little man-made beach thing.
Yeah, they have like club nights, I think.
Obstacle courses over there.
Yeah, they've got like a football area, picnic tables, there's a barbecue area.
Paddleboarding.
Sawadika! Wow.
31 degrees or something.
Apparently it feels like 38.
Like I tell you, whoever makes these reports, I completely bloody agree with you.
Go on, how many can you do? So as you can see guys, they have an outdoor gym here. It's all free to use.
Right, that's alrighty.
I know, yeah.
Actually weird because it looks so heavy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But it's not. Go on. Oh my god, Zabby! You're loose!
They throw it back down again, don't they?
Yeah, go on, do it again.
Nah, I'm alright, that'll do.
You're nuts! Oh, should I put that up?
Nah, I'm alright. Oh. I don't know if that's exactly what it's used for, but... Yeah. Oh, goodness.
You do it. As you can tell, Sabrina spends a lot of time at the gym. Nice bottom shot. You let go.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, like that.
Oh, like that.
Yeah.
Ta-da.
Hap hap. Okay guys, it's just done skating and done working out. So now we're gonna go.
Grinding.
Now we're gonna get some food, aren't we? Absolutely
Yeah,
bloody
I'm marvin.
shattered. I'm stupidly. It's just a workout skating, isn't it?
I didn't skate at all today.
Okay, well, Sabrina didn't skate. I did. I'm done.
I've been filmed.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's
Important factor.
Let's go get some food, shall
Let's get some food.
So you got your fun for all the kids.
Yeah, Bouncy Castle.
For you, Sabrina.
There was a Ferris wheel last time we came, wasn't there?
Yeah.
Pellet guns.
40 back for
40 back.
some air Pacific.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Did I get it?
Yeah, that one there. I got it on film.
Did you?
Yeah, I got proof.
Didn't even mean to get it.
Oh, another one. Damn. Oh. Oh, nice. Whoa! 4?
Go on, Zab.
Aww, went right over it. Wow, cute.
You got 4 of them. Can you believe it?
No, mental.
Oh, very good. I know, I don't
Good,
know.
yeah. Done it before.
No, there you go.
No.
No.
I have to try with myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cab on cab.
Double gas.
They're like little beanbag things. I feel bad. I want to give like something back.
Why?
I don't know. It just feels like I've robbed them a little bit.
How?
I don't know. I didn't think I'd be able to do it.
Played.
What do I
They've
do?
got plenty.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Oh, he's a model. So that is a bit of target practice for when you do
Go
the
to
real
shooting
deal.
range. Video coming soon. I felt like a bloody sniper.
They've even got this, it's a Greek little restaurant here, isn't it?
This is the Greek one, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Very nice. Oh, this is the outdoor cinema thingy, must be.
This is going to be showing a movie later on.
I didn't know they were doing a movie. They do like Zumba here as well, don't they?
Yeah.
Free Zumba.
There's a Zumba bit.
A little glimpse of what they get up to here.
Yeah, loads of stuff. This is honestly one of the best places. I think it's probably the best place in Phuket for like events and
Hell
everything that you can do. It's insane.
There's something for everyone. They've got a kids fun area there
Got
as
a
well.
massive gym as well.
They've got a gym, yeah, got shops.
The last time we came, they had a proper market, but this time it looks like they've got vans, like food.
Food trucks.
Cool, yeah.
Face painting. Look at those.
Wow, I love that.
Marshmallows. Sushi. Oh, that looks nice. Banoffee pie. Me so hungry. Oh, they got fruit shake. Snagged the last coconut smoothie.
Yeah.
Snagged? I mean snagged.
Winner, chicken dinner.
I know. Chicken kebabs, one or two?
Two. 100 baht each.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Not too hot. Nice.
Got a little village, what's it called? Village Adventure Village. Pretty epic. Fun for all the fam.
We gotta do this.
Go on
They
then.
have blueberry flavour
Get it.
and grape. Blueberry flavour. Yes, this one. Thank you.
Blueberry. It does look like the old town in Phuket, yeah. Ubri mochi. 10 baht as well. Dirt cheap. 25p. Wow. What's it like?
Really nice.
Let's have a bite. Sawasdee krab. Wow. Get your cocktails, Whoa.
Looks absolutely
Got me.
ridiculous, doesn't it? Quite a big gym.
So guys, that's the end of this one. I hope you enjoyed the Wansao Festival. If you check on Blue Tree's Instagram, they do it every month. I don't think it's the same weekend every month though, so it's worth going on their Instagram. I think it's just at Blue Tree Phuket. And every month it's different.
Yeah, sometimes they have a Ferris wheel there and food stalls. This time was a bit smaller.
It's a bit more mellow, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment,
Enjoyed.
subscribe. We've got more exciting videos coming from Thailand. And then soon we'll be announcing what we're doing when we leave Thailand, which is in less than a
October.
month. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, hope you enjoyed it.
See you next
Bye.